So this is room 143 in Valcour, which is an upper class dorm at Champlain College. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is before anyone moves in. So the floors, first of all, are laminate, so don't need anything but a rug if you want one. Every room, of course, has 2 desks like everything in Champlain. You've got the bed. This is the half up. They can be lofted further. There's one of the 2 dressers. There's a little bit of an open space with an outlet, as well as the second bed with the large window, the second dresser, and then this is the closet space that they have for Valcour, Butler, and Juniper at the very least, where they're not huge, but hopefully they work. There's no doors on them, but you have space to hang things and put various objects in there. My son has this room last year in Butler with the closet set up like this, and does again this year in Valcour. And he put a command strip here, and then that's where he was able to hang his towels and such. And then you've got the door again. As with every room at Champlain, they provide a recycling bin, but you need to bring your own garbage can. So this is what the room looks like, and I will also show the rest of the dorm as well, so you can get a little bit of an idea of what's here. The one thing I will note is these are not the new mattresses that Champlain upgraded a couple years ago for the freshman dorms and some of the other ones, so they might be a little bit more soft or needing a little bit more support if you so choose. The one other thing that I will point out here is that there is a manual temperature control here where you can turn it on and set the temperature a little bit to be warmer or cooler, so you can have a little bit more of an idea of what you want to have the temperature like in your specific room. And then obviously the light switch turns on the overhead lights. There are 2 of them that are here. And then the only other thing I will point out is that this is the room shade, but it is not a blackout curtain, but that's fine. It just gives them some privacy.